Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Ring Video Doorbell Replacement Battery 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of batteries that can replace Ring 2, 3, 4, a number of different varieties. Please double check that you have the right ones. But it's a 2-pack that'll show you kind of the charging and when it's ready, all that stuff. I'm excited because I have a Ring doorbell that I'm constantly changing the battery on, and so I'm looking forward to replacing it, testing it out, and of course letting you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so opening up the box, I just want to give you a quick explanation. There's not going to be much to this. Simple explanation of how these things work. Simple user manual. This will be your battery charger. So you'll be able to put both of these batteries in at once. Now understand that it may or may not, I have not tested this yet, it may or may not fit the old original batteries, but we're going to go ahead and show you exactly how these go in, just like that. And then you'll have your USB micro charging cable, and then again another battery. Now, something I want you to understand on these batteries is kind of and this is why it's difficult to get off, is it kind of has, if you're not familiar with these batteries, a little push button to kind of lock it in place when you actually get it onto the door. So this will push down, and I'll show you how that works as we install. But first thing I'm going to do is get this charged up. Simply showing the battery or the cord insert there, and then you'll have some lights working here to kind of show you exactly what that process looks like. So as you charge these up, first of all, you'll see that this is the charge mode, and then on the side here you'll see kind of the batteries are charging, and so I'll show you what it looks like when they're done as well. All right, so when these are fully charged, you'll see that obviously you'll get the double green here, but more importantly you'll see double green on the sides, so just keep that in mind. All right, so I just pulled out the original Ring battery, and as you can see, it is practically identical. Color is different, doesn't have the logo, but for the most part, screws on the bottom, the connection here, everything is exactly the same. So I'm going to just put this in, and you'll see it start to blink, which is going to be standard operation. And we'll go ahead and tighten it up. So to me, having 3 batteries makes my life a lot easier, because typically what I'm doing is these batteries take a while to charge up, a number of hours, and so generally I'm without my doorbell for a couple hours while that charges. Now that's no longer a problem, so I'm pretty excited by that. All right, so the final test will be to see whether or not this will charge the same way. And it looks like it is doing that. So as you can see, it just shows that these things are basically the same exact battery. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.